Okay, got myself a rather large package today for my computer, so I'm going to unbox it all and show you what exactly I'm putting into my system. Which I already have a pretty good idea what most of the gear is, seeing as I did order it. I usually do have a proper tool to do this sort of job, but because my room is so messy, I can't find it. So I just use my Combat 10 tool instead. It definitely did a good job of packing everything together. Alright. Alright, first thing I've got here is 4 meters of UV reactant tubing, 1/2 inch. And as you can guess with just this, yes, I am going water cooling. Sorry about the lack of camera angle here. I'll try and get something better. Yeah, that'll do. It's just a very close camera and I don't really have much room in here to move things around. Alright, I have the black ice. Where is it? There we go. Black ice GTX 240mm radiator. That's going to be connected straight to the graphics cards, or that's going to be in the line after the graphics cards before going back to the pump and the reservoir. So I'm hoping that's going to kill most of the heat issues that I have with graphics. I don't know what those things are. I say they're just extra packing. Let things fit properly. Yeah, more of these little things. There we go. I got myself some Indigo Extreme cleaner to get rid of any what do you call it? I've just lost the word for it. Yeah, thermal grease. That's it. Thermal grease compound remover. Make sure that there is absolutely nothing left on my CPU and graphics cards before I put the new lot on, which I do have a new thermal paste in here somewhere. Should have. These, I got 12. They're black chrome compression, like slimline compression links. So they'll be quite useful. This is my thermal compound, Antec, let's not believe it, Formula 7. I've heard some good things about it, so I'm going to give that a go to see how well it performs under great stresses. Alright, what have we got here? Some more stuff in boxes, which I don't know what they are. Alright, what is this? I think, yep, I've decided, ooh, sweet, I'm going red liquid cooling. This has antibacterial. Where is it? Doesn't even tell you, I don't think. Well, it probably does. I'm just reading to it too fast. Table drinking bottled alcohol. Yeah, it doesn't really say much, but I do know it is antibacterial and some other build-up resistance or whatever built in to it. So hopefully I won't have any problems with maintenance with that. So I'll put that back in the box because I'm not going to be using that for any time soon until I've done the build, obviously. And it's good to note, they actually do say that it is electrical conductive, which we all know anyway, like people that do water cooling all the time. And I did get 2 of those just in case. There's a product from Cool Ants, if you didn't see, if I was too quick with the camera then. What else we got here? I've got so much stuff. I'm surprised I have any money left in my bank account. Now this would be the XSPC water cooling kit that has a It's a kit that XSPC sell. It's a radiator. This particular model is the EX360 radiator model. Also comes with the CPU block, some piping and whatever else you need to start up your water cooling. But I did replace half of the stuff in there, like the compression bits. Cold cathode, well, there we go. Because I've got UV reactant tubing, I've got UV lights from Bits Power. Oh, I can't even get the camera right. Bits Power, rather nice brand, from what I can see anyway. What else have we got in here? Yeah, these are awesome. Fuck, they're heavy. Excuse the language. This here would be my my GPU water block from XSPC as well. Give you some LED lights, some thermal pads, all your bits and accessories that you need, and the water block itself. Once I get it out, I'm trying not to put my fingers on anything. There's just those things. Now that looks rather cool. It looks fucking effing awesome. Apparently, I don't know whereabouts it lights up at, but somewhere in this, whether it be that, which I don't think it is because it just looks solid, but somewhere in this you stick your LEDs and it lights up and looks cool or whatever. So I'm guessing it's the edges because it's like, what do you call it? I can't think of that plastic stuff. See, if you look through there, you can actually see through the water block. But yeah, it's like that Windows stuff. I can't even think of the name of now. That's completely left my head. I can't think much at all lately. Well, I haven't for a while because I used to drink too much. So yeah, and now, seeing as I've gone through all that, I'll show you what's in this XSPC kit. I can't even get my words out properly, but we will get there. We will get there. Alright, what else have we got? More sticky tape here. It's a cool little Tanto. Yeah, does the job. Don't particularly want to stab myself with it because it's rather sharp. Alright, I'll get all this out. I'll stick it on the ground. Might be able to pull it that easy. Maybe not. I'll use my foot. There we go. Foot does the job. Alright. Comes in boxes and more boxes. Alright, so this kit comes, I believe this was 7/8 or 7/8 or something like that tubing. So I've upgraded that. I'm replacing all of this with half-inch pieces. Comes with all your little bits and pieces for compression fittings for that tubing, mounts and screws and whatever else. The usual bits and pieces that you get in the kit. I believe this is probably the D5 dual bay reservoir and pump. You can see, bam! It's all pretty full with wires and whatnot. I've got to figure out how to sort this, set this up. And another LED. Where are we? Another LED. I believe that is to stick inside the pump, so it lights up all the coolant, which will look pretty cool on the front of my case, all red and such. Alright, so there's that. This, I believe, would probably be the CPU block. And I was correct. CPU block. I can't remember what model it is, but it is obviously XSPC. Raystorm. And that has LED spots on it too, which they actually give you LEDs for as well in here. All your mounting gear. We all know what mounting gear looks like, so I'm not even going to be bothered to pull all that out yet unless I'm fitting it. Which, I don't need any of the back plates anyway. Oh, for crying out loud. Close up. Here we go. Also an AMD panel, backplate, whatever, front panel. Gives you your 3 fan, they're nice and black, and 3 fans to go along with. That's just 2 of them, but there's a 3rd one in there. And my 360 radiator to top it all off. Righto. So it gives you all the mounting screws for your fans. I need to get more of those actually for a push-pull configuration. Where are we? How do we get this out? Oh, it's all wrapped up. So I'll just leave that in there. We all know what a radiator looks like, but that's what it is. And when I start piecing this all together and pulling things out, I'll show you when I start unpacking it. So that's that kit. Comes with everything you need, except I'm upgrading some of the parts in it. All of this, I can't even get this back in the box, but whatever. Yeah, basically all of this stuff that I've just shown you cost me, I don't know, about almost $800 for all of this stuff. It's a lot of money, but my 690s are running close to 90 degrees, and I do not like that at all. I want it to be way below 90 degrees if I can possibly do that. And hopefully get some overclocking done with them as well, maybe, depending on what I want to, how well they sit and whatnot. So yeah, I'll start planning all this out and shoving it in the system, and we shall return to, I'll start recording again once I start piecing all this together. Alright, see you then.